Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the weekly market for the week of June 15, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term price direction for swing trading with a bigger profit potential. Last week, the market is getting more volatile when the VIX index snapped back to the upside. Currently, the world is trying to figure out the pandemic, where the headline and new fish may be spitting out the latest development and discoveries minute by minute. Many more are quickly falling into the bogus or inaccurate category than are providing the truth. This plays out with the market movement exactly what we are watching. The volatile movement as traders try to predict how the curve of the new case will continue. Big gaps at the opening at the market try to figure out the new reality. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. If the market is in uptrend, we will stay in the uptrend. If the market goes sideways, we will stay in the sideways, which is what they are doing right now. All you need to do is learn how to understand and read the price chart by using modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology. You can predict where they will go next. The market now is more volatile than before, but it gives you a lot of opportunity for you to trade. I see more people buying stock without understand the market structure. Last week, many people jump in and try to chase and buy the airline stock, and most of them get in panic and sell out for loss. This is the right time for you to wake up and learn. This is the only survival skill that you need to have so that you can manage your own financial, like for 1K or IR account, so that when you have something left to support your family when you are no longer working. As stock navigators, we are not only help you to understand how to use modern technical analysis in trading, but we also mentor you until you are successful. We guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can survive in volatile market. This week, you should looking for the strong stock in the sector like airline, oil, and retail, try to rebound from last week's drop. I will go over some of them in a little bit. So right now, let's look at the couple index to see where we're at right now. If you look at the chart on the left here, that's an SPY daily chart. So you can see that last week the market it gapped down and then they pulled below the gap and then they put it right back down. And the last week until Thursday, I told you that they hit to the support, and then you see the upward support trend line there. They drop to the trend line and then they bow back up. So right now the market is trying to figure out. I think that the big damage on the uptrend right here. So right now the market will go sideways, try to figure out what the direction they're going to go next. So we will see tomorrow if the market open, they probably try to push it back up to the resistance area here, and then we can see they be able to continue to go higher or they roll over and come back and retest here before they can turn around. So if you look at the smaller time frame chart, after the market makes them a top and they pull back down, and right now they try to pull back down, but they go right into the support area here in the short term. So we will try to see that overnight here, the market be able to snap back into 3100 area here before we can see they be able to go higher or they will roll over and make another leg down. So that the for the SPY, if you look at the YM, the YM it do the same thing. After they run up here, they couldn't go higher. They pull back down. So right now they have a more support here. Let's see they be able to hold up, bow back up before they can continue to go sideways. And the NQ, which is a little bit stronger, after they run up, they hit the resistance area, they hit to another resistance area, they pull back. So right now they are at this level. So we want to see that are they be able to hold up and bow it from here. And for the Russell 2000, which is very similar, so they pull back down. So we have a support here, and then right now we pull back here. We have another support here. So let's see the be able to bow back up before they can we can see clearly are they going to come down for the next level or not. But Russell is the wicked one in the group. So right now, last week every day they keep continue to make a low. So that's a very weak for the RTY. And for the gold it try to snap back on. They after they pull back to the box here, and then they try to build a case so that they can get some momentum here, or after they run up here, and then they have to pull back down a little bit before they can find momentum to go in the upside. For the oil is after run up. So right now they are in a sideways correction here. So they have a good run up from $6 here up to 40, 41 bucks, and they hit to the resistance here. So right now they still go sideways, uh, correction here. So after they finish it here, and then we will see are they be able to hold in there and turn around. And for the euro after they run up last week, hit to the sell zone, and then now they pull back up so that they can build up some momentum before they be able to get back and snap in the upside again. And bond it bouncing back up since the market drop, so the people try to put it back up on bond. So right now they bought back up, but they have a resistance here, so we really want to see them able to get up there, or they have to roll over before they can go higher. And the Bitcoin still goes sideways in the downside right now. So right now that for all of the index, if you look at the couple of oil stock that I mentioned to this week and last week, the oil stock after they hit to the resistance right here, so they snap back down and they have a strong support here. So they're looking to rebound in the upside this week. And a lot of stock on the airline, let's say American airline, after they run up to the resistance, which is we already predefined ahead of the time. So when they hit to the resistance there, you can see it. They quickly people sell and take the profit. So a lot of people jump in and buy right here. They don't know how to read the chart. That's where the problem coming in. So right now after they run up, they pull back down. So they hold back to the support. So now they try to find a way to snap back on. Okay, and like Delta Airline, you can see here it's a similar. Okay, after they snap back up, they pull back down to the support. Now they find a way to get back up again. And a lot of stock that people buy bull in, for example, we already uh, predefined the resistance level. So when they hit here, they bow back. They have a support here, so they try to build a momentum in the upside again. And uh, Delta Airline. Up, Delta Airline also very similar to the other airline. So they snap back, they pull back down, and they support. Now they try to find a way to rebound. And some talk in the retail sector, the summer coming up, okay, like the people that uh, uh, book for the cruise ship, so that one of the stock that have potential to bouncing back up. You see here that the Norwegian cruise ship. Okay, so after they hit the resistance, they pull back, and now they try to rebound to the upside. And the people that getting bored after they stay home for many months, so maybe they're ready for camping. So those stocks try to snap back in the upside. So this is another potential on the upside. So this is all I have for you this week. And then if you like what I'm doing here, please give me a thumb up and then subscribe to our YouTube channel, because without you, I cannot make this YouTube. So that I need your support so that we can get more people to watch it, so that we can inform you every time I have a new video. And if you like what I'm doing here, and just give me a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about technical analysis, how to trade, how to manage your own portfolio, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and then we will see you on the next video.